In Richard Carson's classic book, Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, he speaks about a man who asked him what the people are like in California. Rich replied, "What are the people like in your home state?" The man said, "They are selfish and greedy." Rich replied, "Well, you will most likely find the people of California to be selfish and greedy as well." You see, if you throw a negative light on your life and on your life experiences, it doesn't matter where you are, where you live, what job you get, or how much money you make. You will always find a way to want more and be unhappy with what you have. You will always want to be somewhere else. You will always want the life of someone else. A great life starts with a great mind. A blessed life starts first with a blessed mind, not the other way around. You don't get blessings come to you so you can feel blessed. You feel blessed, then the blessings come to you. We choose what we see in our lives. We choose what to focus on. And we choose if we see our life as messed up or blessed up. You can be happy with very little or miserable with much. I'm sure you can find plenty of examples of this in your own life and around the world. Question is, what would you prefer? To have all the money in the world and be miserable, completely lost in your mind? Or to have no money and just radiate joy every single day? No alcohol, no drugs needed. You just love life. There can be only one answer here, and that is because all we seek, including the money and possessions, we only seek because we believe we will be happier when we get it. But anyone that has had all that money will tell you that does not bring you happiness. You create your own happiness. You start with being grateful for what you do already have. This certainly does not mean you strive to be happy and poor. Be grateful for all you have, but never settle for less than you can be. Gratitude first, work second. When you are grateful for all you do have, more will be given. It seems almost unfair, but as it says in the Bible, for whoever has will be given more, and they will have an abundance. Whoever does not have, even what they have will be taken from them. I guarantee you, if you implement gratitude into your life, wherever you are, in any area, your life will improve. It is impossible that it couldn't, because the real connection with genuine gratitude puts you in a positive state immediately. You do that every day, and the very worst result will be that you feel better. What a concept.